Elsa the Cook here, and today we're going to be making my Nana's fluffy Scotch pancakes. So before we get started on the Scotch pancakes, I want to say a thank you to my friends who sent pictures to me of them making a cheese dream, which was in the last video. And a thank you to my sister, that's me, for drawing this nice lovely picture of me. This is me doing an Elsa the Cook video. Okay, so now let's get started on Scotch pancakes. For this recipe is some plain flour, some milk, a tablespoon of sugar, an egg, a tablespoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt and a drop of lemon juice. Okay, so now we're going to measure the plain flour. So we need 200 grams. Okay, so now I'm going to pour in the flour. Okay, so now we're going to do the milk. So you need 250 milliliters. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to pour in the flour and the milk. Okay, so now we need to put in a tablespoon of sugar. An egg. Okay, so now we need to put in, a tablespoon of baking powder. A pinch of salt. And a drop of lemon juice. Now we're going to put in the lemon juice, and then you whisk it all together. Oh wait, I need to turn it on. I can see there's some flour up the side, so I'm just going to get the flour in. Okay, so now we can whisk it again. So now that they are nice and mixed, we're gonna just take the bowl out. Take the whisk out because then it will drip. Okay, I'm just gonna put this in the sink. I'm gonna turn on the heat. So you can use a griddle or a frying pan. Ooh, it went off. And again. Okay, so now you need to put on a bit of butter. Spread on some butter. Okay, so you should put it on a low heat. And now we're going to just get big spoons and scoop on the mixture. I might want to move these out of the way. Okay, big scoop and scrape it so it doesn't drop. And dollop it on. Oopsie. Okay, now we're going to do another one. Okay, now we're going to get this flip thing, and then we're just going to wait for the bottom bit to cook. So when it bubbles on the top, that's when you know you can flip it, but I don't think this one's ready to flip yet. So I'm just going to check this one because it looks like the top is bubbling. So let's flip it. That one's ready to flip. I'm going to just flip it again. So now they look fully cooked, so I'm just going to turn off the heat. And in Scotland, the traditional way to serve it is with butter and jam and some fresh strawberries. Okay, so let's see what the camera person thinks. My sister, this looks great. Okay. And a bit some jam on. Let's try. What do you score out of 10? 10. I like it better than crepes because they're really nice and fluffy. Yeah, it's nice when you get like a fluffy texture inside as well. Yeah. Okay, so thanks everyone for watching, and next week we're going to be doing some scrambled eggs. So yeah, bye for now. Can I have a second? Come on, they're so good. Yeah, well, yeah, probably because I'm making some more. Good.